Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to take your fitness journey to the next level with the Garmin Forerunner 970, a game-changing smartwatch that's about to revolutionize the way you train? This sleek and premium device boasts an incredibly bright AMOLED touchscreen display, making it effortlessly easy to navigate, even in the darkest of environments, thanks to its built-in LED flashlight. The lightweight titanium bezel and sapphire lens give it a solid, durable feel, while the button controls provide a satisfying tactile experience. With up to 15 days of battery life in smartwatch mode, you can track your progress without worrying about running out of juice. And when you're in GPS mode, you get up to 26 hours of continuous monitoring. The Garmin Forerunner 970 has been well reviewed by many customers who have purchased and love this product, and it's easy to see why the built-in microphone and speaker let you make and take phone calls from your wrist, while the full-color, built-in maps and multi-band GPS provide a confident and accurate navigation experience. Whether you're training for a marathon or just trying to get in shape, the Garmin Coach training plans will help you achieve your goals, with personalized plans that adapt to your performance and recovery. The dynamic round-trip routing feature is particularly useful, as it allows you to break off the path and develop a new route that will get you the same mileage, giving you the freedom to explore new routes without getting lost. Overall, the Garmin Forerunner 970 is a top-notch smartwatch that's perfect for anyone looking to take their fitness to the next level. With its impressive array of features, durable design, and seamless user experience, making it an excellent choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.